If you are thinking about getting a personal loan in the United States, but you feel confused, or you are not sure where to start, you are not alone. Many people apply for loans the wrong way, and they get rejected immediately. Not because they are not qualified, but because they don't understand the process. So in this video, I will explain everything step by step, in a very simple way, so you can increase your chances of approval and avoid common mistakes. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I post videos every week about loans, credit, and making money in the USA. Step number 1. Understand your credit score. Your credit score is one of the most important factors that lenders look at before approving your loan. If your score is above 700, you are considered a low-risk borrower, which means you can get better interest rates and better loan offers. If your score is between 600 and 700, you can still get approved, but the interest rate may be higher. And if your score is below 600, you may need to improve it first, or apply with a co-signer. Step number 2. Choose the right lender carefully. You have 3 main options: banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Banks are usually more strict, but they offer lower interest rates. Credit unions are more flexible, and often give better deals. Online lenders are the fastest option, and they are easier to get approved with, but sometimes the rates are higher, so always compare your options. Step number 3. Prepare all your documents. This step is very important because missing documents can delay your application or even cause rejection. Most lenders will ask for proof of income, bank statements, and your employment details. Make sure everything is clear and ready before you apply. Step number 4. Pre-qualify before applying. This is one of the smartest things you can do, because it allows you to check your chances without affecting your credit score. Many people skip this step, and that is a big mistake. Always pre-qualify first. Step number 5. Submit your application carefully. Take your time and double-check every detail, because even small errors, like wrong income information, can lead to rejection. Accuracy is very important here. Here are some powerful tips. Do not apply to too many lenders at once, because this can hurt your credit score. Always compare interest rates and read the terms carefully. And most importantly, only borrow what you really need, so you don't get into debt problems later. If you want to learn how to get approved for a loan, even with bad credit, watch the next video now. And don't forget to like and subscribe.